Interpreto is a brand new AI-powered software that enables you to instantly translate a speech into another language while preserving the speaker's tone of voice. Interpreto's pre-launch took place on March 26, 2024. On this occasion, participants were able to hear the speaker's own voice in their native language live, which was a world first. Here is a sample. First, let's hear the speaker as he gives a speech in French.
Notre planète compose plus de 8 milliards d'êtres humains dans 195 pays et qu'on évalue environ le nombre de langues parlées à 7000.
Now, let's listen to the live translation towards English.
Our planet is home to over 8 billion people in 195 different countries, and the number of languages spoken worldwide is estimated at over 7,000.
Language barrier no longer exists thanks to Interpreto.